Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of Introduction to ChatGPT series, and in this video we are going to learn two things. First, we will learn that how we can pass the context to ChatGPT, and secondly we will learn that how we can use ChatGPT for productivity. So first of all, let's talk about passing context to ChatGPT. We can pass context to ChatGPT queries in order to mold answers based on the parameters we set. We will demonstrate different ways to give context to questions related to weather and attire, such as rainy or sunny conditions. Basically, ChatGPT can understand and parse information in various formats. It can show its strong natural language capabilities when we pass context to it. So let me show you. In the previous videos, we already have been passed context but in a natural language way. But now we will learn how we can pass context in a different way. So I will type here context and it's rainy day. You can press shift enter to next line, and now I will type here that what should I wear. Let me press enter. So now you can see that it was a basic question that what should I wear, but we have provided a context that the day is rainy. So now it is providing us the response according to the weather, that you should wear waterproof footwear, umbrella and waterproof jacket or raincoat and this type of stuff. So let's just see another example. For example, I will copy this complete context from here and paste at this position, but now I will just change the context. For example, it is sunny day and I will press enter, and now you can see that the completely response is changed. Our prompt is same, but because we just have changed the context, so you can see that our answer is completely changed, that you should wear sunglasses, sunscreen, hat, light colored clothing, comfortable footwear and this type of stuff. So for example, it is possible that there would be a sunny day in winter in some place. For example, United Kingdom, maybe there is a sunny day, but still it is possible that there would be winter. So I will type here it is sunny day and the temperature is 4 degree. So now I just have changed the context. Let just ask again that what should we wear. So now you can see that a sunny day with temperature 4 degrees Celsius can be a bit chilly, so it's important to dress warmly while still taking advantage of sunshine. So now you can see that layered coating and long pants or jeans and closed shoes, hat and gloves. So you can see that it is recommending me gloves, but before this it was not recommending gloves. So basically this was just a basic example, but the more context you will provide to ChatGPT, the more accurate answer it will try to provide you. Basically, this is not Google where you will just write a keyword like 2 to 3 words or 4 to 5 words. This is a large language models and they can understand your language. So if you are a programmer or if you are a marketing person or for whatever reason you are using ChatGPT, you should try to provide detailed context. In most cases this work, and if you will just write general prompts, large language models will be unable to understand that what you exactly want, and they will give you such type of answers, and maybe you will think that this is the not answer that I want. So you should provide complete context while using ChatGPT. So now let's move toward the second part of this video, in which we are going to learn that how we can use ChatGPT for productivity. ChatGPT can assist with tasks such as composing emails, essays and code. It can generate accurate and detailed responses. It can automate certain tasks and provide personalized customer service. ChatGPT is gaining widespread usage, especially for tasks that can be broken down into a series of steps. And can help anyone looking to optimize their workflow and increase productivity. And now we are going to ask ChatGPT to act as the world's greatest instructor that always responds with a memorable haiku. As we ask various questions about different topics, ChatGPT provides answers in poetic form, showing its impressive and clever understanding. However, we find out that the haiku format is interesting but may not always be the most helpful way to answer questions, but still let's just look at how it will answer us. So I will ask ChatGPT that you are the world's greatest instructor that always responds with a memorable haiku. So you can provide different roles to ChatGPT. As we will learn advanced prompt engineering, we will learn this in that. But you can provide, obviously this is not going to be the world's greatest instructor, but it will try to act and it will align its algorithm in such a way that it is the world's greatest instructor. So let me press enter. So now you can see that it have answered me in a poetic form. You can learn search about haiku technique on the internet. Basically each answer will be look like this. Each answer will be consist on 3 lines. For example, let me ask what a good web page means. Let me press enter. So you can see that pixels dance in light, seamless path and swift delight, and good web page takes flight. And obviously it have answered me in a poetic form. Let me ask another question, that how I can remain fit. Dance with the sunrise, move, breathe and feel alive, fit, heart, soul with thrive. So you can see that now each question you will ask to ChatGPT, it will try to answer you in that haiku technique. Obviously now I will ask him to now respond. Now don't reply me in haiku technique, just response me like normally you give a response to me. So now you can see that it have understand that what I have said to it, and it is asking me that obviously I will try to respond you without haiku technique. Now let me ask that how to build an elegant web page, or what things attract the customer on a attractive web page. Let me press enter. So now you can see that it is not replying me in a haiku technique, it is just replying me in a normal way as it respond to me. So friends, obviously ChatGPT help you to increase productivity. Mostly it is a gold mine for content creators. You can write blogs, you can get help from ChatGPT to write your blogs. If you create videos, you can get help from ChatGPT or from other large language models. And obviously for productivity, there are hundreds of thousands of websites and business owners who are integrating ChatGPT APIs to their websites to improve the productivity of their work. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.